just trying to be me, doing what I got to do. Some people think that I'm just sitting on top of the world. Sitting on top of the world, top of the world, top of the world, top of the world. Listen, you guys, right now, I'm sitting on top of the world. We back, baby! We back! All right, I'm about to head to the shop first. I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A, get something to eat, get my stomach nice and full, man. Listen, I've been seeing everybody post they haircut tutorials, and you know, I've been seeing a lot of people in the barber game really doing it, but I've been missed. I'm not trying to tell y'all I've been missed. Nah, I ain't been seeing nobody really do something outstanding. I'm just here to let y'all know that the king is back, baby!
But no matter how many fish in the sea, it'll be so empty without me.
We back! Let go! Alright, listen, you guys, I'm about to eat. But I just want to show y'all my new lights real quick, alright? I bought some new lights. And I don't want to see nobody sitting here copying me, alright? I got these real production lights going right now, alright? They're looking real different than everybody else's, alright? I don't want to see people copying me. Nah, but on a serious note, you guys, it does feel good to be back. If y'all, listen, if y'all ain't never tried the little Chick-fil-A burrito with the buffalo sauce, y'all need to try it. I'm trying to tell y'all need to try it. It tastes real good. But I do got a lot of stuff that I need to unbox that I accumulated over the quarantine. Hold on, let me show you guys. I got a bunch of stuff right here. These boxes. I got a box right here. This big box right here. I'm gonna show you guys what's in it in a little bit, alright? But just let me eat my food real quick, alright? Jeez. Alright, you guys. Alright, listen. I got a couple of packages that was sent to me over the little clothes that we had. Got the little custom 10FX. Got my name on it. Oh, snap. Also got the liners. Boom. And Gamma has sent me the clippers and a bunch of attachments. Got this one. Then they come with a letter. Then it was the bag. I actually was cutting with this on my client before. Then it comes with all this bunch of stuff that's in here right here. We got this and then, yeah, basically, and that's it on that one. Then we got this box. Then we got this box right here, okay? I ended up getting these JRLs. I can't throw that. It came with a blow dryer. It came with a blow dryer. Maybe I should just set this down. Hold on. It came with a blow dryer. Boom. A hair little iron thing. I don't know if I'm gonna ever be using this, but I'm gonna definitely see if my wife wants it. Came with a pouch. A hat. This thingy right here, don't know what that is. A cape, I really don't know what that is. A pad. It even came with a JRL mask though. I don't know if I'll be wearing this. And then it came with this, some lotion, and I don't know what this is, but this doesn't look like it does anything that I want to use, and we're just gonna toss that. And then, this is another package. This is the Pissed Off Barber. They sent me these little liners right here, and they sent me these shears. Shout out to Pissed Off Barbers. I'm gonna definitely try to use these clippers today. I'm gonna definitely try to use these. But other than that, that's it.
cartoons and Kirby.
Sit down, sir. Thank you for the information.
And I want a YouTube channel, but my mom won't let
Okay,
me.
we'll just sit down, huh? We'll just sit down. We're good. Hmm?
What does good mean?
You don't know what good means?
I do hours of school. I mean, hours of school.
How you like the school? You like it?
No, I hate it.
You hate school?
Yes.
Come on, man.
But I grow up.
You're online now, right?
Become an Afro.
You're online now, right?
Yeah. But I grow up and become an Afro.
When you grow up, you're going to have an afro?
I'm gonna be an Afro.
You're going to be an afro. What does that even
My dad
mean?
said this was gonna be quick because I already have surprisingly small.
What does that even mean?
Can you not come here? I already have surprisingly small hair.
Listen, it's against the law that you're supposed to talk in the barbershop. It's against the law. You have to be quiet. Wearing a mask.
You make the law that makes you not talk.
It's against the law to talk. Alright, hold your head down. You good? You like the haircut? Give it a thumbs up. If
And I
you're
like
new to the
you.
channel, please hit the subscribe button, okay?
Okay, when I get out
You like the cut?
yeah.
Then give it a thumbs up, okay? If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button.
Okay.
We out.
Bye. I will subscribe.
You say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're next. Where's your mask, man? Where's your mask? No, I'm just messing with you. Come on. Where's your mask? Hmm? Where's your mask? Huh? Come on, man. You come in here without a mask. You know it's against the law now? It's against the law to come down here without a mask.
Okay.
You're breaking the law. All rules and regulations, you're breaking them right now. You know, listen, you're going to jail. You're going to jail right after this haircut, dude. It's against the law. I'm calling the police. Taking you right to jail. To juvenile hall. You're supposed to wear a mask. You know who's supposed to wear a mask. Look at everybody wearing a mask but you. Come on now. Everybody in here is masked up.
Here.
You the only one got your face out.
To the mask.
Come on, man.
There's a mask on.
No, you can't do that. That's my tape, dude. Hair has been on that. Come on, dude. There's the reason why you're supposed to wear a mask. Your dad been cutting your hair?
I don't watch your videos on YouTube.
You don't?
Yeah.
Wow. What type of supporter, what type of client are you to come in here and don't watch my YouTube videos? Come on, man. That's cold. That's pretty cold, dude. Watch when you get a YouTube channel. I'm not going to watch it either. How you going to feel?
I don't know what you did. Oh, that's why.
Have you ever seen one of my videos?
No, because I don't know what it's called.
Dang. You don't even know my name?
No.
Wow. I've been cutting your hair for 13 years and you don't know my name?
Yeah.
Alright, sit back. You're done. Look straight. Alright, put your head down a little bit. Oh, hold on. You're making it. You don't hurt yourself, dude. Hold on. Put your hand over your mouth since you don't have a mask on.
Born.
Alright, you're up out of here, dude. Hold on. Did you say thank you? Wow.